Is Windows 11 presenting the WslRegisterDistribution Failed Error 0x8007023e? Here are 4 easy ways to remedy it. Press the Windows key and type PowerShell in the search box. Right-click on PowerShell on the search result and click on Run as Administrator. If the user access control prompts, click on Yes. Type the command below and hit Enter. Enable Windows optional feature. Online feature name, Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux. After the command execution, it prompts for a restart. Press Y to restart your PC to complete the operation. Check if the error is resolved after the startup. Just hold the Windows and R keys simultaneously to open the Run dialog. Type mssettings.appsfeatures to open apps and features in Windows settings. Locate your Linux installation, for example Ubuntu, in the list of applications. Click on the 3 vertical dots next to it and select Uninstall. Complete the uninstallation following the on-screen instructions. Now locate Windows Subsystem for Linux in the list of apps. Click on the 3 vertical dots associated with it and click on Uninstall. After the uninstallation, remove all the associated files and components of WSL using Windows features. Follow the steps in Fix 1 to disable WSL and Windows Hypervisor platform. Reboot your system and then install WSL. Hit the Windows and R key and type PowerShell in the Run dialog that opens. Press Ctrl+, Shift + Enter to open PowerShell as administrator. Enter the command below. WSL. Install it downloads the latest version of Linux and also turns on the needed optional components for the Linux subsystem to run. Restart your computer after the command executes. Perform a fresh installation of the Linux software that you had uninstalled previously. Launch your Linux terminal and check whether the error is resolved. Open Run, Windows +R. Type PowerShell and press Ctrl + Shift + Enter to open command prompt as administrator. Enter the command below dism.exe/online/enablefeature.featurename Microsoft Windows Subsystem Linux/all/nor start reboot your PC after the above command completes executing. After startup, use the Windows Store to download and install the Linux distribution that you had uninstalled. Launch the Linux application and check if the problem is fixed. Press Windows and R keys on your keyboard to open Run. Type optional features.exe to launch Windows features. In the Turn Windows feature on and off window, you need to disable all virtual machine related options. Locate Hyper-V and uncheck the box next to it. Uncheck the option Windows Subsystem for Linux. Also, disable the option Virtual Machine Platform by unchecking the box associated with it. If you have Windows Hypervisor Platform, then disable it also. Click on OK. At this time, Windows Features looks for the required files and makes the changes. On the confirmation prompt, click on Restart Now to reboot your PC. After your system reboots, go back to Windows Features, as in Steps 1 and 2, and enable all the above options by checking the box associated with them. Restart your PC again after re-enabling. Check if you are able to launch the Linux distribution without the error. Press the Windows key and type CMD in the search box. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Update the Linux distribution using the command below. cj --sudo apt-get update $sudo apt-get dist-upgrade $cjdes exit. Now open the Linux terminal and check if the error is solved. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.